Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes pronunciation videos and French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this fictional Belgian detective created by Agatha Christie for her series of books. This is one of the most famous and long-running of her characters. He appeared in 33 books, 33 novels. Because he was from the French-speaking side of Belgium, how would you go about pronouncing his name with the typical French pronunciation or Belgian French? Hercule Poirot. Hercule Poirot with a silent H at the beginning of Hercule because it's not pronounced in French, Hercule, and then Poirot, the T at the end of Poirot is silent as well. Hercule Poirot. But it'd be fine in English to say Hercule Poirot. Hercule Poirot. In French again, Hercule Poirot. Hercule Poirot. Hercule Poirot.